Welcome to another unboxing. ETPC here. Today we're checking out the Crazefoto car phone mount. This is for your CD slot, universal car cradle mount, 3 side grips. Alright, what's first in the box is a CD player mount. So basically what this does, has a little screw on the back here, and as you can see, I'll get this the right angle there. So when you screw in, the middle part goes up. Now this has like a little padding on there, but it's going to go into your CD slot where you have your CD player. Boom, goes in there. You screw that in there, and it makes it nice and tight. Holds your phone. Okay, so there's the first part. This is appears to be fairly durable plastic here, and it has nice little like silicone rubber pads here on the edge that goes into the CD slot there. Okay, so there's the first thing. Secondly, we have the phone holder. Okay, so your traditional, what is this? Oh, okay. That's cool. So it has a little button here on the back. I was wondering what it did, and that releases the claws. So that's rather wide for a phone. I have a Google Pixel XL here. Let's check it out. I think I'm done charging there. And we still got a little bit of room on each side there. That's with a pretty thick case on there. So these you just kind of squeeze together, I'm assuming, like so, and it's got it pretty good. All right, and we release it with the button on the back. Okay. All right, so this also has a nice like silicone type padding here, and on the edges as well. The bottom has a nice little bevel there to hold your phone from falling out, and that's silicone as well. So everything that's touching your phone is pretty much going to be silicone. Okay, and on the back it has this little nut that goes over this part. So when you attach it to the ball there, well, you want to leave this on there obviously, but I'm sure most of you guys know how these work. Put that on there, it pops into place. Okay, there you go, and then you screw that down over there to hold it, so it's not going to go anywhere. And the tighter you make it, obviously you can adjust it to whatever angle you want. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Well, that's it, my friends, for the box. We have some instructions, it looks like. So I will be doing how to do all that. I basically just showed you everything that was on the instructions. This is the initial unboxing. So first impression seems to be, your standard nice little phone holder. Looks like it'll do the trick just pretty well. This is adjustable to 360 degrees, and it looks like it's going to be just what the doctor ordered here. Although most, I guess most newer cars don't even have CD players anymore, huh? Everyone's going to the MP3 or whatever, MP4, playing off your phone. Anyways, we will be doing a review video and demonstration shortly, so stick around for that. You can pick this up off of Amazon for about $17. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next time.